Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix CapCut audio removal not working. These are the rare issues that occur on my phone before, so here are the steps to fix it. First is to open your Android device and unlock it. Launch the CapCut app and open the project where you want to remove audio. Look for extracted audio or remove audio option. And if the option is grayed out, check the app version. Update CapCut from the Google Play Store to the latest version. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Some features require online processing. Restart the CapCut app by closing the app and open it again. If removal still fails, try splitting the clip first by moving the playhead. Choose the audio or extracted audio to reveal more options. Then remove audio from the split segment by tapping the split key, then tap the delete icon. Clear CapCut cache. Go to your settings, apps, all apps, CapCut, storage, and tap clear cache. Restart your Android device. And reopen CapCut and try removing the audio again. If it still doesn't work, consider reinstalling the app. Tip: some audio tracks, like certain music overlays, may be protected or embedded, and CapCut might not allow full removal. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.